In recent years, Bangladesh has witnessed a significant movement led by students across the country. The quota reform movement has become a battleground for young minds seeking justice and fairness in the education system. The quota system in Bangladesh was initially introduced to ensure representation of various underprivileged groups in government jobs and educational institutions. It aimed to provide opportunities to those from rural areas, ethnic minorities, and freedom fighters' families. But sir, isn't the current system creating more inequality? Many deserving candidates are left out because of the high percentage of reserved seats. That's a valid concern. Over time, the system has faced criticism for being outdated and not reflecting the current socio-economic realities. This has led to widespread dissatisfaction among students. We are not against the quota system entirely. We understand its importance in providing opportunities to the underprivileged. But the current 56% reservation in government jobs is too high. We demand a reduction and a merit-based approach. It's frustrating when you work hard for years, only to see your dreams shattered because of an unfair system. We want a fair chance to compete based on our abilities. We acknowledge the concerns raised by the students. The government is committed to reviewing the quota system and making necessary amendments to ensure a more balanced and just approach. What steps are being taken to address the students' demands? A committee has been formed to evaluate the current system and suggest reforms. We urge the students to remain calm and cooperate with us during this process. The quota reform movement highlights deeper issues within our education system. We need to address disparities in access to quality education, particularly in rural areas. Moreover, the curriculum needs to be updated to meet the demands of the modern job market. We must focus on skill development and vocational training to better prepare our youth. Reforms are necessary, but they should be holistic. We need to ensure that while we promote merit, we do not neglect those who genuinely need support. We are optimistic that our voices will be heard. This movement is not just about quotas. It's about creating a fair and just system for everyone. We believe in our country and its potential. Together, we can build a better future where everyone has an equal opportunity to succeed. The journey towards educational reform in Bangladesh is ongoing. The quota reform movement has sparked a dialogue that goes beyond quotas, touching upon the very essence of equality and fairness in education. As the nation moves forward, the voices of its youth will continue to shape the future of its education system.